What's up, guys? You guys know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy. Hope to make your install life easier. Today we got a 07 Dodge Charger, and I'm going to show you how to isolate your door pins for your car alarm. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do here. Anything car audio install related, including security. That's what the channel is about. From time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. Alright, so first off, what is a door trigger? Well, when you open up the door, something needs to let the car know that the door is actually open. So sometimes they'll actually have a pin inside the door. Sometimes, like in the jam right here on Toyotas, there's like a little push toggle situation. It's actually right there, and that notifies the door whether it's open or closed or not. Depending on what type of vehicle you're working on, it can either show 12 volts when the door is open, or it can show ground as 0 volts when the door is open. So that's going to determine whether you have a positive or a negative trigger. This one is green. The green stands for a negative door trigger on this alarm, and the purple one is for positive door trigger. So depending on which one you have in your vehicle will determine whether you actually hook up the green wire or the purple wire. So first thing you need to do is you need to actually find your door triggers for your vehicle. I have the 2 door triggers from the passenger side, because that's where they're at, twisted over here, and I ran them from the passenger side to over here, and these are the door triggers on the driver's side. Now, since these have negative door triggers, it's going to give us 0 volts, or it will show ground once the door is actually open, and when the door is closed, it's going to show us 12 volts. All right, so here we have the multimeter. If you guys want to know how to work a multimeter, I do have a video showing you how to use that, but here we're showing a good 11 volts. I have it grounded, and I do have my positive probe on the driver's side door pin. Now, when I open up this driver door, that 11 volts is going to go to 0 volts. So the door is now open. I'm still here. We are showing 0 volts. So that's how we know that we have negative door triggers. But you don't want to just hook up one door. Let's just say you hook up the driver door because it's negative trigger, and then you hook it up to this one wire. If somebody reaches their hand in the door and opens up that driver door, yes, the alarm goes off. But what if you have both windows down and somebody goes and reach their hand in on the passenger side door and then opens up the door? The alarm would not go off. So we need to isolate all 4 door triggers to this one wire. That way, when you hit the lock and the unlock button, it does exactly what it needs to do. And how we're going to do that is we are going to use diodes. So notice that we have 2 ends, and the anode of the diode, the band, and the cathode. So as you can see, what I went on ahead and did is I took my diodes and I wrapped them around the wire. Now we are going to solder these and tape these up or heat shrink them individually. That way they will be perfectly isolated and not touching each other. Very important that you have the band side going towards your individual door pins. You do not want them to be in the other you don't want them to be the other way around, because you'll just be allowing the back feed to come through, and we want to stop the back feed from going through each individual door. So once I solder these and tape these up, we're going to twist all the other ends together and then go to this one wire, and then we will secure that connection as well. All right, so we have our negative door trigger coming from our car alarm, isolated between the 4 door triggers that we have. Now let's go ahead and test it out before we actually clean everything up. All right, so let's go ahead and lock our alarm. We're just gonna open this. Didn't come off. Now let's open up the door. All right, now let's go ahead and arm it again, and then let's try our passenger door. All right, so now we're on the passenger side. Arm the alarm. And there you have it. So I hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I want to take this time to give a shout out to all of my Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile support me in the channel, so I go the extra mile supporting them with like behind the scenes footage, one-on-one helpings, and that's where I give my wire diagrams if you guys need help to work on stuff yourself. So till next time, this your boy JP signing out. Hope everybody has a happy installing and have a blessed day.